Hi guys, I'm Shane Scofield. I'm a professional financial trader from London, and I've just decided to make just a short video just to show people how to trade the simple and more importantly the smart way. You got a lot of companies and people out here that claim that they're traders, don't really know what they're doing. They're just, they're talking pips, and they normally just trade the forex market, which is super volatile and more unpredictable. And so I'm just going to show people just a simple and smart way to trade and how you can make money like a real trader. So basically, this is the DIA, which is the ETF of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So this basically does what the Dow Jones does, and I'm looking to get into this trade on the Dow. I'm looking to buy it for the upside. I'm not going to go too much into technical analysis, um, but I'll show the chart, which is here. This is the monthly, which is looking extremely bullish. The weekly also looking bullish, and also drag this over the daily, which is looking bullish. I'm not going to go too much into technical analysis, but it's going up. But one of my indicators is quite funny actually. This is Wall Street. This is IG Index, one of the biggest brokers. This is Wall Street, and if you go down, it shows people what people were doing. The majority of the people were short, and it's funny because the people that trade on this platform, they're usually wrong, don't know what they're doing. So this is a contrary indicator to me that the Dow should be going up because most of these people are short and most of these people lose their money. So you could spread bet this trade, but the smart way to do it for me is to do it by options and by buying the DIA, which is the Dow ETF. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna buy 67 contracts that expire in January 2015. So it expires at the end of January 2015. 175 call. So 17,500 call on the Dow. The most I'm going to risk on this trade, because real traders, whenever we place a trade, we look at what's on the table. What can I lose? And on the table, on this trade, I'm going to have 5,963. I wanted to risk 6,000, which is about 4% of my account. So, if I lose 4% of my account, that's nothing. I'm not going to lose sleep over that. So, if you had a 2,000 account, you would risk 80 on this trade. So if you had £2,000 or dollars and you lost $80 or pounds, you're not really going to lose sleep over that. So I'm risking 4% on this trade. The most I can lose on this trade is 5,963. So if I got into this trade today and the Dow had some sort of financial meltdown and it went to zero, literally went to zero, the most I can lose, regardless, is 5,963, regardless where it goes. So it's limited risk. The risk is limited to however I want it to be. So if I wanted to, I could have this at a minimum of $89 if I wanted to. That's the most I could lose. That's the least I can put on this trade. So I've calculated my risk. Now my reward. I don't really place a trade unless it has high reward, at least 300%, because it doesn't really make no sense to me otherwise. And on this trade is literally an unlimited reward. So if the Dow, I don't know, starts going crazy and goes all the way up to 19,000, which is 190 on the DIA, I'll have a profit return of 99,595. So that'll be my profit if it hits 19,000. And plus my initial 5,963. So, it's 106,000 altogether on that trade. But with this trade, I'm looking for the Dow to run up to, it could run up to 180, which is 18,000 on the Dow. It's not too far away. And that'll give me a profit of 30,826. So, it's good risk to reward here. I'm risking 6,000 and, the upside is literally unlimited. So, it's a good trade. So, I'm going to place this trade. Going to get into it and see what happens basically. I'll record the results afterwards and I'm going to come out of this trade. If it runs up to 18,000, I will come out of it. If not, then I'm going to go by time and I'll literally come out of this trade on the 31st of December. So whatever comes first, if 18,000 comes first or the 31st of December, whatever profit it's in, or I'll come out of the trade. And yeah, so I'll pause this video for now. I'll come back at a later date and record the second half of this video and then we'll see what happens. Hi guys, it's me and back again. It's a quick update on the trade. The date is the 19th of the 11th, 2014. It's been about I don't know, like 20, 20 days, like 20 days since the trade's been placed. Dow's looking really bullish now at 17,700, which is, we touched it today, which is quite good. Still looking bullish on the daily here. Still looking quite bullish. It's a little bit overbought at the moment, so it could pull back a little bit before it takes off. But any pullback is just getting bought. Any dips are just getting bought. So it looks like we could hit target really soon. We're only like 200 or so points away. And if we go over to oh, that's the car I'm trying to get. If we go over to IG index, just touched 17,700. Touched it, come down a bit. It's after hours now. It's 9 p.m. It's gone past 9 p.m. The market's closed. If we go down, still 82% of people were short on the Dow, which is ridiculous. Which gives me, confidence that we're still going to be going up. It's a shame so many people were short and losing their money, but at least 18% of people were on the right train. So yeah, that's just a quick update for the trade. And yeah, we'll see where we are. Hopefully we'll be out by the end of this month, but I think we'll definitely be out by the end of December, easily. And if I go to the trade now, which is here, DIA here, Jan 15, 175 calls, Dow Jones Industrial average price that I got them at is 89 cents, 67 calls, and the current value of it has gone up to 26,331 with a total realized profit of 20,375, which is quite decent for, it's been like, I don't know, like 15 trading days or a little bit more. So I'm gonna wait for the 30, looking to come out this at 36,000. So I'm waiting for another 10,000 profit on this, and then 30,000 will be profit, 6,000 will be the initial money that I put up. I'll around figure that anyway. So we'll see. Okay, guys, back again. Today's date is the 9th of the 12th, 2014. I've closed this Dow trade now. This is the monthly chart. Ever since that bar there, it's just been really bullish, gone straight up. And on the weekly chart, it's not had a down day at all on the weekly chart. And if I bring the daily over, it's just flown straight up. It's come near 18,000 and it's starting to pull back a bit. I've come out at 17,900. Here is the ticket. I actually come out of this trade on the 3rd of the 12th, 2014. I was away at the time. So yeah, I come out of it then. A total net amount of 35,000. So it gives me a realized profit of 29,000. So with this whole trade, I've risked just 4% of my account, which gives me no emotion to the trade whatsoever, for a return of just under 500% in the space of just 1 month. So a net return of 35,000, and 29,000 of that is total profit in the space of just 1 month. And also notice how, I didn't have to look at charts all day, just be stuck at my computer. All I did was check where the Dow was at the end of the day, and when it got closer to target, I just set a limit and come out of the trade. And with this kind of trade, you have your risk calculated, you have your target set, and you just forget it. Just keep checking it out at the end of the day and come out once it hits target or close to target. So that's just a simple video just to show people how I trade, which in my opinion is just a smart, professional, and the best way to trade. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you need anyone needs any help or any genuine questions, feel free to just contact me. And yeah, thanks for watching.